The Blood Falls. Quite a lot of creepy things have been discovered in Antarctica over the past few years, and as far as weirdness goes, this one definitely ranks high on the list. Located on the continent's McMurdo Dry Valleys, you have Blood Falls, a stretch of water that, unsurprisingly, got its name because of its unique color. The falls extend over a backdrop of white snow and glaciers, making for a pretty fascinating look. Blood Falls is 5 stories high, pouring out from a glacier into a lake. The waterfall runs continuously as well, with red water gushing out of the glacier like an open wound.